Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my beautiful Iran. This is Lahijan, one of the great cities in north of Iran, Gilan. Its culture and favorable climate conditions have positioned Lahijan as a significant tourist destination in northern Iran.
Historically, Lahijan is the first town in Iran to have tea plantations.
The top attractions to visit in Lahijan are Shaitan Kuh, Lahijan Lake, Lahijan Cabin, Lahijan Waterfall, Sistan Lagoon. In the winter season, Lahijan is without passengers, but during the summer and holidays, you see a large number of passengers.
If you are interested in traveling to Iran, don't miss my videos. Thanks for watching.